engineer
We're servicing 2301 West 2nd, the sewer line. We're using the outside clean out. I have the camera head inside the city main right now, and we're going to pull it back to the service building. So the city main is clay, as you can see in front of the camera, and when we're tied onto Orangeburg, it stubs right through the clay pipe.
Push it on top of the clay pipe and tighten it down, and then you got to cut a hole that coincides with the hole that's on that side of the pipe.
How do you shut off the sewer from this?
Well, if we use the saddle tap, you don't have to worry about it. The sewer can run because the tap's up at between 10.
So the Orangeburg is in decent shape this first
on the pipe.
5 feet here away from the tap coming back to the building.
So the sewer's running on the bottom, so you don't have to worry about it. If they make you cut the
There's a
pipe
joint
out,
there that looks
depending on
pretty
the amount
good.
of sewer going through the pipe, you know, we might be able to cut it out and put the
Now we're 10 feet away from that tap. Looks good.
you know, if there's not much sewer.
Okay, and right
Are
here,
you pulling it back?
yeah, and then right here we transition to
So
PVC,
there's a patch right there.
and it's holding just a little bit of water. And then we're going to transition right back to Orangeburg pipe.
Okay, so that's about right to our curb now. That doesn't look good enough to keep and just safe going clear out to the middle.
No, and I'll explain that in a minute. So we have Orangeburg again, and this looks good. That joint looks good. Okay, and right here, Orangeburg gets a little lumpy. You can see on the left side, it's got a bulge
Where? Pointing to.
right there.
Okay.
And then right here, my camera head is climbing up. We got a bulge on the right side of the screen. More here, we got a nice big one on the right side right there.
What's the color? Why is this light like that?
That is just a reflection of the toilet paper from the camera head.
Oh, okay.
Yep. And then you can see on that right side just how it's just pushing, you know, it's just kind of compressed on the pipe there. Nice big one here as well. And I believe we're going to have a nice dip right here in the water. Nope. Okay, we're good. So then right here we are underwater.
Why is the water staying in there?
The water's staying there because the pipe has developed some kind of belly to where it's flattened out, and so the pipe's no longer flat, it's like kind of caved in, so the water is settling, and it has to submerge to a certain height to get over.
I see.
So it's just settled like that.
Okay.
Yep. So as you look straight ahead, this has a little pocket here. Boom. So let me drop back into it. Same right here. So, you know, there's all this down here, and then it wants to come back up and then drop back down. Nice bulge left side. We drop back in the water. It's going like this. So then that's got a good section underwater. And then the shape of this pipe right here is a little squished. Opposed to how it looked, remember earlier when we were by the tap, how it was nice and round? Yeah, so this is all real bad. And again, it's another hump. My camera head wants to hop up and go down. So you can imagine how hard it would be just for gravity, for sewage to make its way through there.
Many of those spots could collect toilet paper and stop it up.
They're all potential for the line to back up.
Yeah.
again, you can see how the height of the camera head, I'm kind of popping up again. Nice little hump there. Right there. Yeah, so sewage has to go up and over that. You can see the bottom of the pipe there is just kind of getting worse and worse. And that's what is, you know, going to happen with the rest of the line at some point. So even that good stuff isn't going to last forever. Another nice little bulge right here on the right side. That's just a matter of time before it actually cracks through. A little bit underwater here. Not too bad, but you can kind of see the funky shape to it all. Okay, and then we're right about here. We are tying right back onto our cast iron, and this is our run to where we're going to hit the 90 and come back to the building. And this is pretty good right here. This is a good starting point for us. So this is pretty much the very beginning of where the sewer line starts, and this looks good. So I'm going to stop the video here.